Sometimes it's easier to create a 3D sketch by converting a model into a 3D sketch. Start a 3D sketch. Select the faces of the model individually or the contours and press Convert. Now hide the model. You now have a 3D sketch. The sketch can easily be altered by changing the dimensions of the model.